Hello, smart friends! Let's learn about animals. Who's making that hoo-hoo sound? It's the owl. Owls sleep in the day, and they love the night. They can see in the dark and fly very quietly. Let's say it together. Owl. Hoo-hoo. This is a lion. He roars to show his power. Lions live in groups called prides. They rest a lot, but when they hunt, they are strong and fast. Listen to his roar. This is an elephant. He has a long trunk and big ears. Elephants remember everything. They live in families and protect each other. Hear how he talks. This is a dolphin. He lives in the ocean, but he breathes air. Dolphins are very smart and playful. They talk to each other with clicks and whistles. Listen to their voices. Yay, we did it! We've learned a lot of animals. Let's say it together. Owl, lion, elephant, dolphin. See you next time. Don't forget to watch more fun videos.